Hi, my name's Lewis and welcome to Aberdeen Science Centre. Today we're going to be making gingerbread slime. We're going to need some PVA glue, some bicarbonate of soda, some contact lens solution or saline solution. We're going to need some food dye as well, and because this is gingerbread slime we're going to need some spices to make it smell like gingerbread. We're going to be using some ground ginger, some nutmeg and some ground cinnamon. First we're going to need to measure out the glue. Use as much as you're happy with. Next we're going to add a teaspoon of bicarb. This helps make the glue not too runny and helps dry it out a little bit. Then we'll need to mix that together. So next we want to add our food colouring to try and get our brown colour. So we're going to add some blue and some orange, and then we're going to mix them together. Next we're going to add the most important part, and this is our saline solution. Right now, as our slime is, it's not really slime, it's just coloured glue, and our glue is so slidey because it's made up of long polyvinyl chains, and these chains all slide over each other, which gives it the property of glue. But once we add our saline solution, this is going to act as an activator, and it's going to cause a thing called cross-linking, which is going to link these chains together and make them stick more like slime. And once it gets to the point where you can't move it anymore, you want to take it out of the cup, and then we're going to start kneading it, because the more you play with it and knead it, the more like slime it's going to get and the less stickier it'll get. And just make sure that you keep rolling it and keep moving it to make sure that all those chains are cross-linked. It's time to add our spices so it actually smells like gingerbread. And make sure it's all mixed together properly. So the cool thing about our slime is our slime's actually something called a non-Newtonian fluid. Now this means that our slime doesn't actually have any one shape. Because it's a non-Newtonian fluid, it also changes with the amount of force that you add to it. So if we just leave our slime in our hands, eventually it will just start to melt and go like a liquid, and if we pull it apart it'll snap. Thank you for watching. See you next time.